Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for today's video. If you guys are new here, then welcome. My name is Carlie. I am a mama to a 1-year-old baby girl. We are in South Carolina. I'm with my husband. We are living in this travel trailer for the next few months, and today I'm going to be showing you my mommy morning routine while living in here. So basically this routine is pretty much the same as my one at home, but we're obviously just in a RV and everything's a lot smaller, not as much space. So I'm super excited to be going ahead and sharing this with you guys. And if you guys ever have any questions about what it's like living in an RV, or if you have like a trip coming up and you're going to be in an RV, then just let me know down below and I would love to answer any of your questions. I hope this routine kind of shows you what it's like to live in one, and if you are going in one, it's not scary. If you have kids, I promise it'll be fine. It's the same thing as home, just a little bit smaller. But if you guys are new here, then welcome. I do cleaning, organizing, motherhood, lifestyle, DIYs, hauls, shop with me's, all of that stuff here on this channel. So if you guys enjoy videos like that, make sure you subscribe. And if you are new here, this is what my content is going to be looking like until probably April. So not too much longer, but a few more months, and then we will be back home in Pennsylvania and I will pick up on my cleaning and organizing and all of my home content that I normally do. But let's go ahead and get right into this video so I can show you my morning routine. So our morning routine typically starts around 7 to 7:30. That is when Evelyn usually wakes up and she is up for the day. Sometimes she does wake up earlier, but we will just lay in bed for a little while, especially since it is really cold here in South Carolina this week and it is still dark out that early. So we will just lay in bed, but we typically come out between 7 and 7:30. The first thing I do is grab her a couple books so she can stay entertained while I just kind of pack up her pack and play for the day. She only sleeps in this at nighttime. During the day, she falls asleep in the stroller when we are watching my husband ride, and then I just kind of put her in our back bedroom for the day. So this is what we do first thing in the morning.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue.
So next I will go ahead and change Evelyn's diaper. For those who are new here, my daughter's name is Evelyn Grace. So I go ahead and I change her diaper, but I leave her in the pajamas at this point because I will have her eat breakfast in her PJs rather than the clothes that she is going to wear for the day, just so that she doesn't get them dirty or anything like that. And this little sneak thought it was funny to go ahead and grab the camera. I left this part in because I thought it was really cute. It was like she was vlogging herself. She is always stealing my stuff. Over there was a 2 bags of dirty clothes. That is our laundry. Our laundry piles up inside of this RV because I don't really have anywhere to put it, and I cannot keep up on laundry because we don't have a washer or dryer in here. But the next thing I do, which is something I do every single morning, is make myself a chai tea latte. I swear this is like what gets my morning going. If you guys have anything that you do every single morning to kind of start your day, let me know down below. So this morning Evelyn was having some pancakes, bananas, and blueberries. She usually has this every single morning. Sometimes she will have like peanut butter toast or yogurt with fruit, anything like that, but she has been liking the pancakes even though this morning she didn't eat all of them. But after that, I'm just going ahead and finishing up with my tea before I go ahead and cut up Evelyn's fruit. Even though Evelyn is 16 months old, I still cut up all of her food into little pieces. She's still not the best at chewing and swallowing. She tends to just throw everything in her mouth and try to swallow it. So we're working on that, but I'm still cutting up everything into tiny pieces, and I will probably do this until she's like 18 years old because I'm always so scared that she's gonna choke on something. But that's just a mom thing. I'm sure other mamas can relate to that. Next, I'm just filling up her water and then giving her her breakfast while I go and get my tea.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in full.
So this is the creamer I use in my tea every single morning. It's just the Natural Bliss in the vanilla flavor, and I absolutely love it. It ties in really well with the chai tea latte. Next, I'm going to go ahead and sit down at the table with Evelyn. I'm going to get my computer out and I have some work to do. I am uploading a video on my husband's channel, which is like our family channel this morning. So I had to do like the thumbnail and all of the tags and all of the stuff that goes into a YouTube video. If you guys are YouTubers, you know what I'm talking about. So we're going to go ahead, sit down, eat some breakfast, and get some work done. And just to show you guys that this is not a perfect morning routine, this is how much Evelyn ate. She basically just ate all of the blueberries, climbed over the table to get into me. This is what she does every single morning. She's not a perfect child. She doesn't sit in her seat and eat all of her breakfast, but you know, it's fine. So next is finally my time to get ready. This typically is about an hour after we wake up. So I go into the bathroom. Evelyn is out watching Frozen with my husband on the couch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get myself ready. I was using this face primer from, I think it was Neutrogena. I absolutely love this stuff. But if you guys want to see like a detailed get ready with me, just comment down below. I will tell you what I'm using, where I got everything and all of that stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into this fast mode. So next, I'm going to go ahead and do my hair, and if you guys follow me on Instagram at Carlie Hetrick, you know I've been loving this hair crimper that I got. You can get it on Amazon. I will have it linked down in the description box, but basically it is a crimper, and it gives you like these really fun beachy waves. You can make them thicker, you can make them thinner. There's different settings on the crimper, but I absolutely love this, and if it's not my toddler interrupting me getting ready, it is my husband. But I will definitely have this link down below because I have been absolutely loving it. Right now I'm just putting some dry shampoo in before I go ahead and crimp my hair. And if you guys want like a full tutorial on how I crimp my hair step by step, let me know down in the comments because I found the setting that I liked most on here that gives me like the more thicker, heavier beach waves. So comment down below if you want to see a hair tutorial.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows.
So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of hairspray to my hair. I really don't need this. I just put it in just to kind of keep everything intact, but I could totally get away without using any. But this is how my hair turned out after I was done using this crimping tool, and I absolutely love it.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling.
So I did sit down with Evelyn for a while and we watched a bit of Frozen Typically, I do not try to rush my morning routine. If I need to sit down and watch a show with her, I definitely will, or read to her or play with her or something. I'm not a like really scheduled person. Nothing needs to be like done on time if it doesn't need to be, if that makes sense. So next, it's time to get Evelyn dressed for the day, and she is a little animal when I'm trying to dress her. She's always trying to escape me, run away, but that is just toddler life, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead, get her dressed, put her hair up, and then do some cleaning.
Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls.
So every single morning I go over to my Young Living diffuser and I blend up a recipe that I want for that day. Today was some lemon and peppermint. I got this recipe from my good friend Amy Fritz here on YouTube, and it smelled seriously so amazing. If you guys are interested in Young Living or have any questions or anything, just let me know. You can DM me on Instagram or you can comment down below. I am a Young Living member, so you can sign up under me. You can purchase oils and stuff under me as well. So if you guys are interested, definitely let me know. But this smelled so heavenly and it seriously got me going for the day. And just to give you an idea, this is all of the oils that come in the starter kit. You also get some thieves cleaner and some other goodies in the starter kit. So again, if you have any questions or anything, just comment down below. But next, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of wipe up the kitchen from making breakfast and all of that stuff. We don't have to do too much cleaning in the morning because we obviously just woke up for the day. Even though this motorhome is always a mess, it's so hard to keep up in here, but we're gonna go ahead, do some cleaning, and then I'm gonna sit down and play with Evelyn.
Save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one to say what.
So for the rest of the morning until it is time for nap time, we will just play, we will watch a show, we will read some books, we will do all of this stuff before it is finally nap time, which today she went down at 11 o'clock because she did wake up a little bit earlier, but this is what we do for the rest of the morning. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you think a morning routine would be easier in an RV or easier in your home. Personally, for me, I feel like there's no difference other than the space is smaller and we don't have as much stuff in here. I mean, at home we do the same thing. We get up, we eat breakfast, we get ready for the day, we play, I clean, all of that stuff I'm doing in here just like I would be doing at home. But again, if you guys like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you guys have any other video requests. I've been doing just kind of day in the lives, a little bit of cleaning in here. I don't want to keep putting out clean my RV with me because it'll literally be probably the same thing every single time. So I'm just trying to do one of those maybe like every other week. So if you guys have any video requests, comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys have and brainstorm a little bit. But hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.